It's been 1 year since the Coastal Bend received its first doses of the life-saving COVID-19 vaccine. And of course, a lot has happened since then in the fight against the virus. We've asked Jalissa Garza to join us here in the studio with a timeline of what's happened over the last 12 months. Jalissa?
Mike, on this day exactly 1 year ago, Krista Spahn received the first shipment of COVID-19 vaccines in the Coastal Bend. It's been a long year of battling this virus, and health experts say we've come a long way. On December 16th of 2020, what many referred to as a shot of hope arrived here in the Coastal Bend.
And at that time, it really was based on science and faith.
Dr. Osbert Blow, president of Krista Spahn, was the first in Nueces County to get the vaccine.
It was really highly politicized. There was a lot of concern around it, you know, from a family standpoint, from a healthcare delivery standpoint, from a leader of a healthcare system standpoint. There was a tremendous amount that went into the decision to have this vaccine, especially being among the first of many.
Since then, many other employees with the hospital have chosen to get their shot.
Nearly 80% of our associates at Spahn have chosen to be fully vaccinated.
And Krista Spahn is putting forth their best efforts to help our community reach herd immunity.
To date, we've vaccinated more than 116,000 adults, almost 3,000 children, and distributed more than 7,000 boosters.
The City County Public Health District also part of that effort.
Corpus Christi Public Health District has administered a significant amount of vaccinations. We're over 187,000 to date.
And over time, as more vaccine options became available and more people became eligible, the numbers continued to go up.
The majority of those are Moderna, vaccinated over 137,000. Then we have our Johnson & Johnson 9,000, our Pfizer dose of 38,000, and now our pediatric doses. We've vaccinated over 2,800 pediatrics ages between 5 and 11.
Overall, our community has accomplished a lot, but the fight against this virus isn't over.
Total population for Nueces County, we're averaging about 53.8% fully vaccinated. So that's half of the population that, a little over half that is protected.
And as for the future, Dr. Blow, like other health leaders, is optimistic.
To be honest, I think we're going to have some kind of leveling off. We are all very hopeful that this will just become very much like a maintenance vaccination, like with the flu.
Dr. Blow adds that once we achieve herd immunity, get to a steady state, and hopefully no more surprises with this virus, we should see ourselves return to some sense of normalcy. Mike?
All right, thanks for that, Jalissa.